Hey, what's up guys, Puppet here from Gloving Academy, and this is going to be a review on Glow LED's newest product release, the Ultra Gloves Slims, and they will come in teal tags. Now I've spent weeks testing these gloves and I will say that I am quite impressed. Let's start off visually with a comparison. Here's Glow LED's red tags right next to the teals. As you can tell, they look pretty darn similar. They look like a normal glove, which is a huge plus considering that past Slims did not. I know for past Slim users, we all had that same problem with the cuffs being super stretched out. It did not look good by any means, but notice the cuffs here are still in great condition. The difference with these is that the cuffs hug around your wrist really well and that the material stretches quite nicely without losing its form while maintaining a tight fit. It feels like it was made specifically for gloving. Durability is something I wanted to really point out with this glove. Glow LEDs has added the same stretchy material from the red tag into the teal tags, which gives it that durability to be used over and over again. Now, you're gonna notice a premium tactile feel when you put these on. With red tags over time, you can kind of see the material start to fall apart. But with the teals, even after weeks of use, there's barely any signs of the fabric breaking apart. I mean, sure, there are some minor damage to the tips, but I find myself having to change gloves every 2 weeks or so. Bear in mind, I glove a lot. But with the teals, because they are more durable, I feel like you would need to change these probably just once a month. So for those of you who want to save money, this might be a better option for you. Yes, you can wash them. I haven't tried that myself yet personally, but I've heard that they do wash a little better than the red tags. So reusability, very high. Now for the ultimate test, I run a size medium, so they fit really well. I'm currently using glow skins from Glow LEDs, and I'm just gonna say I am never going back to normal casings ever again. Glow skins are by far the best experience I've had using lights, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. It looks very similar to a normal glove. You can barely tell it's Slims, and you're gonna see in certain forms that, you know, there might be a bit of a wrinkle here and there. Very common trait with Slims. I may actually need to go down a size to get rid of those wrinkles, but to be honest, mediums feel just perfectly fine. Now, the biggest perk about Slims is that they feel much closer to actual fingers than a normal glove. And I know that's really weird to say, but we all know the feeling of giving finger shows, right? Once we put on the glove, sometimes we glove entirely different. So with Slims, this feels right down the middle between finger shows and light shows with normal gloves. So if you're into things like tech or complex concepts where you're doing a lot of tracing or bends or threading, you know, it feels much easier to execute them with the Slim, similar to how it's easier to execute them with just fingers. So in conclusion, I'm gonna be completely honest. I love me some red tags. I think they are still the best white on the market by far. Before teals, I had zero want or need to have to use Slims, but after testing these out, I'm probably gonna keep ordering them. Not completely phase out my red tags, but I think where I'm at right now in my gloving journey, I'm getting a lot more technical and advanced, so the Slims really allow me to do that. So right now, it's the perfect glove for me, and for those who were previously Slim users, this is definitely going to be an upgrade. It feels just right. It feels refined. It's what Slims should have been, and I feel like it was made for gloving. I feel like Kurt really knocked it out of the park with this one. So if you're interested in buying them, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off. On a final note, here's a quick light show with the teal tags. Thanks for watching.
you in the driver's seat.